Hey guys, I'm taking just a different approach for today's video. We're going to talk about Zeedrop on Facebook Marketplace for drop shipping. I had heard about it with watching a few videos online, and then I didn't really think much of it. It kind of seemed like a new thing, like probably sucks. And then one of you in the comments said something about it. We had a little conversation, and I got logged in, got signed up. Right now, when you go to sign up, it shows how many users it has. It says it only has like 919 users when I signed up. I'm sure it's more by now, but a lot of people look into how they can list faster or automate a little bit more on Facebook Marketplace, and I haven't even learned all of its features yet. Again, that's Zeedrop. I don't know if I've said that correctly yet. Anyway, I'm just going to show you the basics on how to use it. Again, I haven't even figured out everything about it, but as an idiot myself, it took me 5 minutes to kind of get the gist of like, oh, this is what this does. And I'm going to show you literally how much quicker it is. And now I don't have an excuse to not do my 10 to 15 items a day, or however much you list a day. Because I'd get to like 5 and I'd be like, man, this is taking so long. Like, I got stuff to do. And it's only like hindering my ability to make more sales. And it's crazy. Last night when I was listing, I was like, oh, I got to 10 things. I was like, let me just list one more thing. And it was outside of a normal category I do. I literally just picked a random item, and then I sold that item like 3 times within 3 hours, which I always thought everybody was lying about whenever they said stuff like that. But it actually happened to me finally. So it's not because of Zeedrop that I got that. It's just the convenience allowed me to just make one last experiment before the end of the night, and the experiment paid off. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how to do it. Hopefully this isn't like a 20-minute video like all my videos. So Zeedrop, Facebook Marketplace, let's go. All right, let's find an item. Totally random item. It's not in a category I normally sell in. I'm just going to show all departments, or see all departments. Let's just do saving spotlight, I guess. Home. Cool. Furniture. Everybody always talks about how furniture is so great. Let's do furniture. You know what? This table, it's just some like fold up table. I've got one of them in my office that I use as a podcast table. You know what? Let's do this. Check this out. All right. See these red buttons that just popped up on my screen? There's download main images. I clicked that first when I first used this, and it just downloads like this picture as far as I could tell. So don't worry about that. What I overlooked is just this little simple copy to Facebook button. It puts that on your screen automatically. Copy, done. It opens up a selling page automatically for you in that instance. By the way, this is a Chrome extension for the Google Chrome browser. Now, up here you'll notice this little paste data button. Click that. It always opens up the new or use. I always just hit new, and then I just sit for, let's time it. I mean, it's been 2 or 3 seconds now. 4, 5, okay, whatever. Boom, it puts all that stuff in. It puts kind of crappy product tags. I mean, I guess it doesn't do the worst thing. I'm not gonna put furniture in a tag. I might do folding tables. Foldable table. Oh God. Foldable table. Table instead of tables. Fold up table. I'm trying to think of things people might search. Plastic table. Pop up table. I feel like that if I was searching for something, that's what I do. It grabbed the description automatically. So all I gotta do is go in here and type in the whole new inbox free shipping thing. Little thing I haven't talked about in any of my other videos. So if you're watching this one, here's a little thing I do with my descriptions. I always put just a simple, pretty much almost like a title in the top of my description, because in other situations and other websites, those keywords matter, like YouTube description, things like that. Advertisements on Facebook, if you run ads, if you've ever done that. So I do that, and then I put the information underneath it, and then I do extra stuff below that. Sometimes I go in here and I have Grammarly as the free version of Grammarly downloaded as a thing too. So I go in there and do some of the stuff like that. Anyway, that just helps because me, if I'm reading descriptions and I see a bunch of weird mistakes, I'm like, ooh, this is from a different country and I don't want to buy it. So sorry if that's mean. That's just how it works for me. So outdoor tables, hopefully we get shipping option for that. It automatically puts a price in for you, which is kind of cool. Let's see what the profits are for that. I guess, again, another thing I haven't talked about, if you happen to be watching this video, you get a little piece of info, I guess. So right now it says 46.47. I always type in my calculator. Here, I'll do a calculator on the screen instead of my phone so that you guys can see it. Boom. All right. Calculator. So I just round up to 47 as my starting point. I add 8% as like what it's going to cost me tax, because most places are somewhere around 7.5 or so. So I just do 8 as a safety, and then I add, even though this won't be the correct math, it's just a general because I already went over before, I add another 5% for the Facebook selling fee. And I actually base my profits off of what I need to make above that number. So to me, I'm like, okay, 53, 54 bucks. I might just make this table 60 bucks on Facebook. Because look, if we go back to this, it made it $56. So it is above that little margin that I made, but the profit's going to kind of suck. And I'm not one of those people who's listening to a bunch of stuff every day just to make $1 or $2 profit. You know, you get people who are, you know, on here talking about they made 100 grand one year. Well, okay, well, let's say you're selling $4.99 items. You're selling $500 items, right? Cool. Let's divide that by $500 items. If my math is right, that means you're making 200 sales. And if you only get $1 profit on each of those, you're only making $200. So don't be deceived by everybody being like, I'm making $1,000 a week, bros. All this stuff. But I'm not going to tell you my profit because it's $10. Like, okay, not helpful. That's stupid. Anyway, I'm going to make this thing 60 bucks. And I'm going to list it. And we're going to see how it goes. I'm just going to put 20. I've been putting 20 on my quantity. I don't know if that's bad or good. So I'm going to take out the word Costco in my description because I don't care about that. I'm going to, I might keep white, but yeah, sure. Let's just centerfold. Folding, I'm going to change white to white table. That way, if somebody searches white table, they also get that. And then right here, I'm just going to put new, I guess. Cool. You can only have a maximum of 10 photos. It did 11, I guess. So let's take out this stupid warranty one. I'm also going to change this one up here so that the next photo, when they click, is that it's foldable. What the underneath looks like. What is this? Get the coverage you need. Oh no, not that either. I don't need any Costco crap in there. Sweet. So I'm arranging my photos differently. But look, I didn't have to go in and do much. Also on brand, I've been putting like just what it is, because it doesn't matter what you put in. So I'm doing for extra SEO, if it matters, I'm putting in stuff like that in my brands, like just more keywords. So I'm hiding it from my friends because this is my personal profile. I don't need all my friends to think that I'm selling a bunch of random crap on the internet, even though that's exactly what I'm doing. Changing it to shipping only. Use your own shipping. I'm doing $0 shipping because, does it have free shipping? Yes. Also, a little pet peeve of mine for this whole process is everybody's like, make sure you filter it by 2-day shipping. 2-day shipping doesn't matter, at least where I'm from, because I'll do 2-day shipping and then I'll go enter a customer's address. And then it's like, cool, it'll be delivered next week or like 8 days from now. It's like, oh, okay. It's using my location to justify the 2-day shipping. But once I change it, that 2-day shipping goes away. So 2-day shipping's a lie. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. All right. Or I don't know what I'm talking about. Somebody will correct me in the comments and it'll be a really easy fix. So next. Publish. Sweet. All right, that's me. That's literally how easy it is to list. You hit copy, and then it opens up a window for you, and you hit the paste option. Give it a second. You're good to go. That doesn't even include all the other cool features. It's got stuff where you can like It's got templates where it can automatically put in the extra stuff in your description for you, like how I went and typed in free shipping and stuff. I haven't figured it out, but somehow I can go make a template and then have it put that stuff in automatically. So, and then it's supposed to track where you got the item from and the pricing and track your orders. When I go ship it and I go to put in the person's address, I can paste it from the order too, which is super cool. Like, I don't know, it just makes it a lot faster. So that's Zeedrop, Chrome extension for Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. I believe it works for other things that you can see. There's a copy to Etsy button too, but that is Zeedrop. Thank you. If you like this video, you learned anything, or just thought, I'm not super annoying, feel free to subscribe. I would love that. I've been getting all these subscribers lately. I'm loving every bit of it. I'm loving all the conversations we're all having in the comments. Keep that going. If you have questions about it, or like, man, that's really cool, does it do this? I'll try to find out for you. So, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.